Hello everyone, welcome to you all. Let's begin with our book, that is Pebbles of Grammar of Class 4 by Galaxy Publications. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching for the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. So hello children, in the last video we had studied about tenses. We had studied about the three forms of verbs. Now in this video we are going to begin with our chapter, that is chapter number 10, and its name is present simple tense. So we'll begin today with simple tense and we'll study first the present form of it. The present simple tense is used to express something that happens in routine. Now this thing is very important to understand. What do we say in present simple tense is that we are talking about something which is happening in routine, जो रोज होता है, रोजाना हमारी जिंदगी में हो रहा है. It also expresses general truths, यानी कि ऐसे सच जो आम सच हैं. Like, look at these sentences. He goes to school. वो स्कूल जाता है. The lion roars. शेर दहाड़ रहा है. The nightingale sings sweetly. The sun rises in the east. He works hard. Mother cooks food. The boys play cricket. We like ice cream. So these are certain sentences which are denoting the simple present or present simple tense. You can see all these things in the given picture also. Now, the further they are talking is like in present simple tense. What is simple present tense? We are using the first form of the verb, or you can say the base form of the verb. Along with them, we had add at certain spaces S and ES. S and ES to the base form of the verb. So this is the ruling for present simple tense, that we add S or ES to the base form of the verb when the subject is singular of this person. Okay, when the subject is singular person, that means he, she, it, okay, then we will add S or ES to the main verb. Like this way it will be formed: singular subject plus base form of verb plus S or ES. Then in the next rule they are saying that we do not add S or ES to the base form of the verb when the subject is plural and of the first person I or we. यानी कि जब हम किसी फर्स्ट पर्सन यानी कि I और we की बात करें, और we are talking about I and we in the sentence, or we are talking about the plural people, plural noun, then we will not add S or ES. S और ES तब हम ऐड करेंगे जब सिंगुलर पर्सन होगा या फिर सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ही, शी, इट. फर्स्ट पर्सन I, we और प्लूरल के साथ we do not use S or ES. What will be the structure? The structure will be as follows: I or all plural subjects along with the base form of verb, that is all. No S or ES is added over there. So I hope I have made clear to you that how we use the verb in present simple tense. Let's now do the practice questions. The first question states, fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the brackets. And the first sentence is, the earth dash around the sun. Now what will be the correct word? Move or moves. Now they have given two verbs to it. We are talking about the earth. Earth is a singular noun. Fine. It is a singular noun. So what do we add in a singular subject? We will add base form of verb along with S or ES. So the correct word over here is moves. So let us write here MOVES. So the correct sentence will be, the earth moves around the sun. Now on the next page we have the second sentence. What does the second sentence say? The sun dash brightly at noon. Again, the sun is a singular subject, hence we will use the word shines. Then the next, that is the third one, we dash to school by bicycle. Now see carefully, we is mentioned over here, that is they are talking about the first person, hence we will use subject Along with that, we will use the base form of the verb without any S or ES. So we will use go here. We go to school by bicycle. Then the fourth one, the ducks dash in the pond, and the answer again, we are using plural, then hence we will write over here swim. The ducks swim in the pond. Fifth one, eagles dash high in the sky. Eagles fly high in the sky. The sixth one, mother dash the baby to sleep. Mother is a singular noun, so we will put here puts. P-U-T-S. Mother puts the baby to sleep. The postman dash letters for us, singular noun. So we will write here brings. The postman brings. Then the eighth one, that is the last one of this question. The child dash with his toys. The child plays with his toys. So this is it about the first question. Let's now read the B question. The B question states, rewrite the following sentences by changing the number of the subject. So we have to change the subject, and accordingly obviously the verb will also change. Do not forget to change the form of the verb. Now they have mentioned whatever I was saying, they are also telling you that you have to change the form of the verb, because when the subject will change, the number will change, obviously the verb will also change. One has been done for you as an example. The first one that they have done is the boy goes to school. The boy was singular. We were using verb with S and ES. When we change the subject to plural, we have changed the boy to boys. The verb has also changed. So now let's do the first one. The tigers kill the deer. Now remember, S is here, no S here. Now we'll change the tigers to the tiger, and it will change into the tiger. Kill gets changed into kills. The tiger kills the deer. Then the second one, the lion roars loudly. We will change the lion into the lions, and when I am writing over here lions, the roars will change into R-O-A-R, roar. The lions roar loudly. Then the third one over here is the owls hoot at night. Owls is plural over here. We will change it into singular now, and it gets changed into the owl. Hoot will get changed into what? H-O-O-T-S. The owl hoots at night. And then a full stop. Then the fourth one is the dog guards the house. Now the dog will be changed into the dogs. D-O-G-S, dogs. Guards will get changed into guard the house. Then the last one, that is the fifth one, is the ostrich runs very fast. So we'll change the ostrich into the ostriches. The ostriches run very fast. So with this we have completed our question, the B question. Let's now move quickly to the other part. The other part is telling us that we have to look at these sentences and read them. And the first sentence is, he does not go for a walk. We do not go for a walk. I do not tell lies. Penguins do not fly. Now in this sentence you will see that they are talking about the word not, and these all are negative sentences. What are these sentences? They all are negative sentences, and they are in simple present tense. Now the rule for using does not and do not is, you should listen very carefully. The first one states, we add does not before the base form of the verb when the subject is singular. यानी कि जब हम singular person की बात कर रहे हैं, we are talking about a singular person or a singular subject, then at that time we will use does not before the verb. Does not हम use करेंगे verb से पहले. And the structure will be he, she, it, or you can say the singular subject. Then we will write does not, and then we will write the base form of the verb. Then the second rule says we add do not. When do we add do not? We add do not before the base form of the verb again when the subject is I, we or plural form या फिर plural form जब होगी. The structure will be I, we, you or plural subject. Along with that plus we'll add do not before what? Before the base form of the verb. So we have studied the rules also. Now let's study it through the given table. The table says he reads, and when it gets changed into a negative form, it will be written as he does not read. When we do she reads, she changes into she does not read. I read gets changed into I do not read. We do not read. You do not read. The children read. Children word is again a plural form. So we will write the children do not read. The girl dances. The girl is a singular subject. So what you will write over here? The girl does not dance. So remember singular subject के साथ या he, she, it के साथ हम does not को use करते हैं. हमारी जो main verb है, base form of verb है, उसमें s या es नहीं आएगा. और does not कब यूज होगा? वर्ब से पहले. Whereas जब हम प्लूरल फॉर्म्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो प्लूरल फॉर्म्स में भी एस और एस नहीं आएगा और डू नॉट लिखा जाएगा कब? हमारी बेस फॉर्म वर्ब से पहले. और हेंस इस तरह से हम बनाते हैं अपने नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. Let's now begin with the practice questions. So let's begin with the question number C, and the question states that convert the following into negative sentences. As just now we had studied about the negative sentences, the same they have given the exercise for the same. The first one is my father drinks tea. Since we are saying that my father is a singular subject, hence we will use does not. And where will it be used? It will be used before the verb, before the base form of the verb. So the sentence gets changed into my father does not drink tea. Then the second one, the children pluck flowers from the park, and here children is the plural subject, hence we will use the word do not. और कहाँ use करेंगे इसको हम? Verb से पहले. So the changes in the sentence that is made is the children do not pluck flowers from the park. The third one, butterflies do not collect nectar from flowers. The fourth one, the old woman does not go to the temple daily. Then what is the fifth one? The fifth one is both the sisters study together. It gets changed into both the sisters do not study together. Sixth one, we go to the zoo every Sunday. It gets changed into what? We do not go to the zoo every Sunday. The seventh one is Nancy helps her mother in the kitchen, and the subject will be Nancy, the singular subject, hence we will write again what? Does not. Nancy does not help her mother in the kitchen. The monkeys chatter loudly, and what will be the other statement for this? The changed one? The monkeys do not chatter loudly. Ninth one is my pet cat plays with my pet dog. The statement will be my pet cat does not play with my pet dog. The last one given is we have our dinner at 9 p.m. Now we is a plural subject, so we will use do not. We do not have our dinner at 9 p.m. So with this we have completed our C question. Then on next page they have again given us certain sentences to read. Let's have a quick look at them. First one is, do you go to the temple daily? Now this is a question being asked that do you go to the temple daily? Second one, does she write beautifully? Do they know my address? And the fourth one is, Does the baby cry loudly? Now in these 4 sentences you can see they are asking questions. So all the above sentences are what? They are questions and they are called interrogative sentences. What did you observe over here? What we are observing is with plurals like they, you, I, we and plural subjects we use do. हम क्या use करते हैं? Do. और कहाँ use करेंगे? We will use them before the subject. We are using it before the subject. Whereas when we are using he, she, it or a singular subject, we are using the word does and we are using it again before the subject. So what will be the structure now formed? The structure is do plus I, we, you plus or all plural subjects plus the base form of the verb. Then we are using does along with he, she, it or all singular subjects and the base form of the verb. The table will be given over here and it will make you much more clear. Let's read it quickly. She works hard. Now what will be the question form, the interrogative form? Interrogative form will be does she work hard? Does has come here before she. He works hard, it gets changed into does he work hard? The S has been removed. We have removed the S over here. Then you work hard. It gets changed into do you work hard? I work hard. Again a plural one. What will get it changed into? Do I work hard? We work hard. Again we is what? It's plural. So we will write here do we work hard? Don't forget to put a question mark in the end. They work hard. We are changing all them into what? Interrogative sentences. So we will put a question mark in the last. They work hard gets changed into do they work hard? And a question mark. So with this I hope the interrogative questions for simple present tense I have made clear to you them. Let's now move to the practice questions. Well, the practice question, that is a D question, states that change the following sentences into questions. The first one is grandfather snores loudly. Grandfather is a singular person. We will use the word does. We will begin the sentence with does grandfather snore. Now remember we use the word S, but here in question form again we will remove S from here. So the statement will be does grandfather snore loudly? Then the second one, the apple tastes sweet. What will be the question form? Apple is a singular person or singular thing. We will write here. We will begin with does the apple taste sweet? Does the apple taste sweet? Then the third one, she applied for a job. What will come over here? Does she apply for a job? Now there is a mistake in the question. There this word is not APPLIED, rather it is APPLYS. Fine, because we are talking about the present tense, simple present tense. We will write here word applies, not applied. Applied is the past tense or the past participle tense. Fourth one is my aunt lives in Canada. Aunt is a singular person. So we will write here does my aunt live in Canada? Then the fifth one over here is Vinita looks after the patients. So we will begin with does Vinita look after the patience. And the last one is fruits. They are mentioning about fruits as what? It's a plural subject. Hence, we will change into do not. Do fruits protect us from diseases? So, this was about the last statement. I hope everything is now clear. For singular subject, we are using does. For plural subjects, we were using do. And with this, we have now completed the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. Go through it very carefully, do the exercises, and till then, take care.